Gipangandaman na sa gobyerno ang umaabot nga eleksyon sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Cunbarm sa tuig 2025. Sumala ni Presidential Peace Advisor Carlito Galvez Jr. siguruhon gyud sa gobyerno nga hapsay ug malinawon nga mapahigayon sa unang higayon ang BARM elections. Dugang ni Galvez nga ginaplastar na nila ang mga plano kabahin sa himong eleksyon sa BARM. Duna na say koordinasyon sa mga local government unit aron masigurong walay kakulian nga mahitabo atol sa piniliay.
Yun ang guidance sa amin ni Presidente na we need to assure that the 25 BARM election, first election will be peaceful. Kasi importante sa kanya. So unang-una, this is the first time that we will have the BARM election. And we wanted that everything will be okay. Sinabi nga sa speech niya during the BTA inauguration, to ensure that there will be a success of the BARM government, they need to perform. Yun ang nila. So meaning pagka once na nagkaroon ng performance, yun ang nila. And also a good relationship with the LGU. Ito medyo namin we are trying to.
Positibo ang panglantaw ni Galvez nga magbalampuson ang himuong piniliay sa BARM sa tuig 2025 luyo sa hagit sa panahon.
Nakikita natin may mga challenges pa, but we already talked with some of the political leaders. They are amenable on some concessions. We cannot reveal yet yung mga pinag-usapan namin, but ang nakikita natin is many of the LGUs are really amenable of really having a dialogue with the BARM. Ang lang natin yun is yun nga. Ang nakikita namin is we really advising the BARM to reach out to the LGUs. At the same time, at least magkaroon ng tinatawag na trust and confidence between the two elements. Kasi regional ang ginagalawan ng BARM. And we wanted na yung magkaroon ng tinatawag nating localization or normalization. What I say on local normalization is that we saw different implementation that we had. LGU leading the normalization program. It's much tinatawag nating mas sustainable. We have seen that when Governor Mila Flores handled the transformation of the kapatiran in Aklan and Negros, they were able to sustain with limited intervention with the national government.
Gipaning kamutan sa gobyerno nga mahingpit ang implementasyon sa decommissioning process sa MILF o MNLF combatants una ang 2025 elections. Hilabi na sa mga lugar sa Basilan Province nga doon na pa'y mga problema nga nagulat og aksyon sa gobyerno.
Sa ngayon, we are planning to program yung the remaining yung 14,000. Actually, ang natin yun sa this year. We will able to finish yung ating tawag natin yung ating third phase. And then what we are looking is yung fourth phase can be finished on the 2024 and 2025 funding. That's why we are really negotiating with the Congress that the PAPU's budget will be given due importance because we are trying to really accelerate our decommissioning because we were stalled by the pandemic. Kung tutusin natin yung disruption ng pandemic is 2 years yung pandemic natin pero actually kung titingnan natin real sense it push back our implementation by 2 to 3 years. Kasi yung momentum natin nawala ng 2019. Ang ganda ng momentum natin, we were able to decommission 12,000. And then noong 2020, 2021, it's really nagkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na very minimal. But right now, we have more or less 24,000 combatants. Okay. No. We are decommissioning 40,000. So 24,000 na yung natin. We are looking forward kung makapagano pa tayo ng more or less 3,000. So yung remaining 14,000 will be on course on 2024-2025.
Moving forward.
Naglaom si Kanhimoro Islamic Liberation Front Peace Panel Chair o kasamtangang Bangsamoro Minister sa Basic, Higher ug Technical Education, Muhagar Iqbal nga hapsay ug malinawon nga mapahigayon ang eleksyon sa BARM sa tuig 2025.
Well, that's our hope and we are working for that. We want the election in 2025 to be fair, transparent, and will reflect the true sentiments of the people. But right now, the political playing field is not level. So we are trying our level best to improve the political playing field.
Sa karon, padayon ang gobyerno sa paghimog mga lakang aron mahimong hapsay ug malinaw ang piniliay sa 2025 nga walay matalang kagubot ug kasaligan ang resulta sa eleksyon. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe.